On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, Wha Gwaan. A blessed and wonderful Wednesday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public, and also members of the diaspora. So please, like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog, so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything Wha Gwaan in a Jamaica. So watch this now, my peeps. We're going to flick it over there in the parish of Portland. Yeah, man, really surprising to me just as much as it is surprising to many, because Portland is undoubtedly the most peaceful parish in Jamaica right now, and was always and probably still will always be. But last night, the quiet parish of Portland was rocked with a double knockings and clappings, resulting in the loss of life of a man and a woman. Both persons are presently on your screen. Now, the female who lost her life has since been identified as 28-year-old Sade Pink. She's of a Campbell's Avenue address in Port Antonio. The male has since been identified as 23-year-old Kano James. He's of a Johntown Road address, also in Port Antonio. So I'm going to give you the police report as it relates to that knockings and clappings incident. Then, of course, I'm going to give you what the streets I say, Wha Gwaan. So the police report indicate that preliminary investigations is suggesting that the pregnant woman was indeed the target of that brutal attack. It is being theorized that the attack may be stemming from a love triangle gone bad. The Port Antonio police reports that sometime about 11 o'clock on Tuesday night, Pink and James were among other patrons playing a game of dominoes at Alfred Lane in Portland when a grey Toyota Fielder motor car drove up and criminal elements exited that motor vehicle. It is said that the old dirty corner boy them pop off them chops and start knock it and clap it on both persons. It is said that at the end of the brutal knockings and clappings, Pink, who was in an advanced stage of pregnancy, and James were found suffering from some serious corn-up wounds. They were both taken to the Port Antonio Hospital, where they were both pronounced you know what. Now, On The Spot News Media got some video footage from that horrific scene, which cannot be shown on YouTube, of course. But I will most definitely give you the audio version so you can do like Michelangelo and paint that graphic imagery in your mind and foresee what had taken place. Listen.
Somebody try to get people number that. Joking, my make some man stop coming in and note down my note. You just can't play. I jump on the bike and I turn so I feel like turn out and leave. I'm just pass on the rest of my I'm going to pass and take out my clothes a while ago. I'm here, the four of them, you know. She getting man. You see that?
And I had to get
Not time, man. Somebody up there, somebody else up there to get shot again too. The youth pass one up there too.
So now, my peeps, I'm pretty sure that just by hearing what is being said and hearing the cries of females in the backdrop can definitely give you that graphic imagery in your mind of the horrific nature of that brutal crime scene. So now the streets is saying that yes, it indeed a love triangle involved, but also scamming is at the helm of it. It is said that the male Kino is heavily involved in the scamming world, and the female was also belonging to a man who lost his girl to another man who is also a scammer. So there's a whole mix-up going right there. So, but at the end of it all, two bodies lay lifeless on the ground of our fellow Jamaicans. Regular members of Chan Public will get themselves caught up in the world of scamming, bite off a little bit more than what them can chew. Them say money is the root to all evil. But make me correct that for now. The love of money are the root to all evil. Yeah, man. So youth and youth, stop living in this fantasy world, because easy come, easy go, and so is your life being treated just like that easy go money. We no need to understand, say, hard work is the key to success. This get rich quick mentality nah go work. The only way you can get rich quick unless you become a baller or a runner or go become a DJ. But yet that too involves seriously hard work. So this like a chopping thing we wanna go on with and I get some easy money. It only a send to an early grave. And with that said, I have this message from a regular garrison youth, just like all of we. I want to listen keenly to what he has to say. Listen.
Charging, me can't tell enough youth say, them not go through struggle when me go through, them not feel the pain them feel. Me's a youth that suffer. Sometimes I look back at myself and say, me's a youth that should have killed enough people, but I choose not to. Because I now go see the right and the wrong and take the wrong over the right. You see me? I'm going to have to hurt my feelings for say, yeah, them fucked up my feelings. But I now go just get up and hurt people. So, me as a youth, lose my father from me in a belly and lose my mother from me in eat. I suffer in a life. And when I look, I don't see enough family be there for me. And me there put it there and live it out. And I hold it out. And someone enough youth if you can hold it out like me. If a crackers are crackers, if a water are water. You see it? That's how we live. If you for rich, we are go rich, and if you not for rich, we not go rich. Because me a bad artist, enough boys see out there, rich and a kick up. And me a DJ long time. But me not go bad mind, no man for them shine. You see me? Me a wait for mine.
Truer words has never been spoken. No, youth man, whomever you are, wherever you are, trust me, blessings coming from On The Spot News Media. Continue to stay rooted, continue to stay grounded in your principles. Yeah, man. Don't let go of your principles. You could have easily swayed, as you stated, if you go start knock it and clap it like some other little waste boy out there. But you chose not to. You know right from wrong and you choose to stay on the straight and narrow. When you hear what the man say? If a water, water, and if a crackers, a crackers. Him nah go bad mind. No man for them shine. Yeah, man. It is better enough of them youth there, they'd stay broke and poor and hungry in the garrison. They would have still been alive to the day. Money, the love and greed that it make enough youth now they are to the day. If them did still broke, everybody would have still be one and in harmony. Or ever seen a garrison back in the days when time everybody a grow up and everybody poor or everybody used to happy. But as soon as little money start making at the ghetto, a beer youth start drop out. The same youth them where you and them grow up hungry start buy beer gun and start use it for take the life of the youth them when grow up with eat out I same pot with. Yeah man, the thing really rough and grimy out the road there. So hats off to the youths them who still remain humble. And as Sizzla Kalonji saying in one of them prolific songs, simplicity we use to survive. Yeah man, I just hope that many listen to what the youth they say and just remain humble and not grumble. Yeah man. So the police over Portmore there so now, over the St. Catherine South Police Division is probing a gun attack which claimed the life of a man in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday. The deceased man has since been identified as Kevin Burke, otherwise known as Ratty. The police states that sometime before 4 p.m., Ratty was sitting under a mango tree when he was approached by a man armed with a handgun who opened gunfire, hitting Ratty in the upper part of his body and head. The police was called in and Ratty was seen laying face down in a pool of red substance running from his body. 3 cartridge casings and blood samples were recovered as exhibits from that crime scene that claimed the life of Kevin Burke, aka Ratty. Now we don't know for sure who is Ratty and what is Ratty's personality or why them would have come near Ratty food in such a style. So of course on the Spot News Media will most definitely look into the personality of Ratty and bring it forward to you, the regular members of Jan Public and members of the diaspora. So anyway my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah man.